Problem number 11. A hexagonal prism 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its corner of the base such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests makes equal inclination with HP. Draw the projections of the prism when the axis of the prism is inclined to HP at 40 degree and appears to be inclined at 45 degree. Here the hexagonal prism resting on one of its corner, right? Corner should be right side of your XY line. This side is considered as resting side in the solids. Right side is considered as solids. It is resting on one of its corner and having 25 mm side and 50 mm axis length. In second position, this axis is inclined at an angle of 40 degree. Base inclination is nothing but 90 minus 40, that is 50 degree. Next, in third position, OO1 appears to be inclined means directly it is inclined on 45 degree. If appears is not there in the problem, then we will get locus line. Here appears is there, because of that OO1 is directly inclined to VP at 45 degree. Now we will draw. Here it is resting on one of its corner, right? Resting on one of its corner having 25 mm side. We will join two corners to get center of the hexagon. So here we will get OO1. Then we will draw parallel line here. With 50 mm length, we'll take 50 mm. Directly we'll take here only, no need to cut. So we'll join these points. Right. Now top face will remove some unwanted lines. Top face is with ABCD, bottom face are A1, B1, C1 and D1. Now only considering ABCD, E and F, only considering ABCD, E, F in the top view. Here we'll write A dash, B dash and F dash. F dash is not visible inside the bracket. Then O1 dash, O dash, C dash, E dash. E is inside the bracket. Then D dash. Here in the same way, one we have to write for all these. A1 dash, B1 dash into bracket F1 dash, O1 dash, then C1 dash, E1 dash, D1 dash. This is the first position of the hexagonal prism resting on one of its corner. Corner should be right side of the XY line. Right. Now it is the axis is inclined at an angle of 40 degree. For base inclination that is equal to axis inclination, that is 90 degree minus axis inclination, that is equal to 90 minus 40 will get 50 degree is the base inclination. Now we will mark a point here and will take 50 degree base inclination, but in book it is given that axis inclination. Here we are taking base inclination 50 degree. We will join these 2 points. Now This point is called as D1 dash. Now we'll take the distance from D1 dash to A1 dash, or you can take from this to this. This is also correct. Right. Now we'll cut this, and then we'll take distance F dash, B dash, F dash. Then we'll take distance, or you can take this distance, both are same. Then we'll take center distance, right. All the distance we got, this is called as A1 dash, this is called as B dash, B1 dash, F1 dash, O1 dash, then this distance is called as C1 dash, E1 dash, right. Now we'll take 90 degree from all the point. From each and every point we should take 90 degree. Now 50 mm height is there, this is 50 mm height is there, so each and every point should meet 50 mm height. 5 to 10 is here, with 90 degree will join. Right, 50 mm height I have taken, this side also 50 mm height. We join these 2 points. Then other lines right. Now I have taken this as 50 degree, that is base inclination, and we should get this as 40 degree by construction. Now this point is called as A dash, B dash, F dash, O dash, C dash, E dash, and D dash. Now we'll measure this angle whether we got 40 degree or not. Right, we got exactly 40 degree. Right, exactly 40 degree we got. We should get 40 degree, otherwise the construction will become wrong. Now draw the projectors. From all the points. Now give the arrow marks for all the projectors. And we'll mark ABCD for A1, B1, C1, D1. We'll get A1 here, B1, C1, D1 to D1, E1, F1. In the same way, here we'll get A, B, C, D, E, F. And this point is called as O, O1. Now, the point which is away from the observer is, when you are viewing from this side, the point which is away from the observer is D1 dash. The line joining to D1 in the top view are dash lines. D1 is joining with C1. Then D1 is joining with E1 and C1. Then D1 is joining with D. Then we'll make all the border lines dark. Then A to A1 is left. We'll join that also. Now all the points have joined each other. Now this O1 is directly inclined 45 degree to VP. Now we'll draw 45 degree line with reference to this. We'll mark here and we'll take 45 degree. We'll extend. This is 45 degree and we'll mark O point here and we'll cut it by O1 distance, because O1 is directly inclined, because axis appears to be inclined is given in the problem. This is problem number 11 in the grid book. That is O1 is directly inclined to VP. If axis is without appears to be there, you will get locus line. So O1, we got O1 point. This is O1. Then we should construct complete hexagon prism here. Now this distance, see here what distance I am taking, OA, or you can take OA1, A1 distance. Right, this distance, this distance, this distance are same. All the distances are same. There is no change in the distance. So we'll draw on either side arc. So these points are nothing but A1, D1, A, D. So these points we got. Next we'll take D to E. You can take A to F, or you can take D to E1, A to F, or you can take C to D. All these distances are same. So what I will do, draw arc from all the points. I will draw arc from all the points. Right, now from all these points I have taken this point and exactly away from the DF point, or you can take AE point, or you can take B1, D1 point. So all the points are same. From this point I will cut these two, then from A1 point I will cut these two arc, then from A point I will cut these two arcs, from D point we cut these two arcs. So we got all the points. This is B1, C1, E1, F1. Right, now we'll join each other. Next we'll join these dash lines. Right, we got all the points. This is dash line, and this is continuous. Now we got exactly this position here with 45-degree inclination. Now we'll draw projector lines, or vertical projector lines parallel to these. F1 is here only. E1, A1 point, F point, next B1 point, A point, E point, C1 point, B point, B, D point, C point. Now we'll draw the vertical lines, horizontal lines. E1 point we got here, E1 dash and C1 dash. Next B1 and F1. B1 dash. The same way we'll get A1 dash here. A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash and D1 dash. Here we'll get D1 dash. Next, the same way, A point here, A dash, B dash, F dash. C dash, E dash. Now we'll join each other. D dash point is here. This is D dash point. Now, when you are viewing from this side, the point which is away from the observer is E point. Line joining to this E point are dash lines. Now E joining with F, next E is joining with D, next E is joining with E1. Next, all the border lines should be dark. all the border lines we have to make it dark.